1. Vertical folding. Open your dresser drawer right now. Can you actually see every item you own, or is half of it buried under a pile? That's the difference vertical folding makes. Instead of stacking clothes in tall towers where the bottom items disappear for months, you fold each piece into a compact rectangle and stand it upright, like books on a shelf. People who switch to it often report fitting noticeably more clothing into the same drawer simply because folded rectangles use space more efficiently than stacked piles. No more forgotten sweaters crushed at the bottom. No more digging through layers to find one shirt. You glance, you choose, you pull, without disturbing anything else. 2. Drawer dividers for micro-organization. Think about the last time you opened a junk drawer. Tangled cables, loose batteries, stray rubber bands, that is instant stress every single time. Japanese households solve this with small boxes and dividers that give every category its own dedicated slot. Socks stay with socks. Chargers get a home. Utensils sit in neat rows. The beauty is in the boundaries. When everything has a specific place, putting things away becomes automatic, and finding them becomes effortless. What's the one drawer in your home that desperately needs this treatment? 3. Tall, slim drawer cabinets. Here's something most people never think about. The narrow gap beside your washing machine isn't dead space. It's storage you're paying rent on and not using. In Japan, where apartments are often a third the size of a typical US home, that kind of thinking isn't optional. It's survival. Slim drawer towers slide into tight gaps beside wardrobes, appliances, or counters, and each slim drawer gets assigned a single category like towels, stationery, and chargers. This prevents items from getting buried and turns dead space into real, usable storage. Your home has more usable space than you realize. It's just hiding in the thin gaps you've been walking past for years. 4. Vertical freezer storage with bins. Picture your freezer organized like a filing cabinet, where every bag stands upright and every label faces forward. No more archaeological digs through frozen mystery containers. Japanese homes use simple plastic bins to keep food bags standing vertically, so nothing gets lost under messy horizontal stacks. This one is about more than tidiness. It's about your wallet. Better visibility means less forgotten food quietly expiring at the back of the freezer, and fewer duplicate grocery purchases because you actually know what you already have. When you can see everything at once, waste goes down and your grocery budget notices. 5. The file holder kitchen hack. This trick doesn't even belong in a kitchen. Simple office file holders, the kind meant for paperwork, get repurposed to stand cutting boards, baking trays, and pot lids upright. It shows up again and again in Japanese organization guides for one reason. It makes deep cabinets usable and eliminates heavy, dangerous piles. Instead of stacking 10 baking sheets that come crashing down the moment you need the bottom one, each item slides in and out independently. Sometimes the best solution isn't a fancy organizing system. It's an ordinary $5 office supply used in a completely unexpected way. 6. Shelf risers inside cabinets. Look inside your kitchen cabinet. See all that empty air stacked above your plates? That's wasted real estate you're already paying for. Shelf risers act like a second floor inside your cabinet, which instantly create 2 levels so plates sit below and bowls sit above. No dangerous stacking required. Japanese small space guides recommend risers as a no-renovation way to roughly double your usable cabinet capacity, just by claiming the empty air that normally goes to waste. No drilling, no landlord approval. You place the riser, and your cabinet suddenly holds twice as much. Before we get to the last 6 ideas, here's something worth pausing on. Almost every single hack on this list follows one philosophy: use vertical space before you buy more furniture. Japanese apartments proved this decades ago out of necessity. You're about to see it proved again in your own kitchen. 7. Pull out storage trays in deep cabinets. We've all done the deep cabinet crouch, kneeling on the kitchen floor, arms stretched into the dark, hoping to find the pot you need. Japanese kitchens eliminate this entirely with pull-out platforms that slide the whole contents toward you in one motion. Rice cookers, cleaning supplies, oils, mixing bowls, everything at the back becomes just as reachable as what's at the front. If you've ever avoided using something simply because it was buried too deep, This single change will rewrite your entire cooking routine. 8. Magnetic spice storage and wall racks. Here's a counterintuitive idea. Your walls are storage space you've never used. Japanese kitchens free up precious countertop space by moving spices and seasonings vertical. Magnetic jars on the fridge, slim racks near the stove, rails under the cabinets. It keeps your most used items within arm's reach while clearing your worktop completely. And a clear counter isn't just visual, it's the fastest way to make a small kitchen feel dramatically bigger without moving a single wall. 9. Multi-layer hangers for closets. Most people assume a cramped closet means they need more space, but they just need a better system. Multi-layer hangers let several pairs of pants, belts, or towels hang on a single hanger in a vertical cascade. Each item stays separate and accessible, but the footprint shrinks dramatically. One hanger can do the work of 4 or 5. The rail suddenly has breathing room, and you can actually see your clothes instead of fighting through a compressed wall of fabric. That's more closet space without buying a second wardrobe. 10. Matching storage bins for calm shelves. There's something almost magical about visual consistency. Swap a chaotic mix of mismatched baskets with a matching set. Then the shelves in your kitchen, bathroom, or closet will instantly look calmer, even when they are completely full. The contents might be messy inside, but the exterior looks calmer, and that visual calm carries over every time you glance at the shelf. 11. Labeled containers. Transparent containers with simple front labels turn a confusing pantry into a system anyone in the house can navigate. You can see quantities at a glance, avoid buying duplicates, and every family member knows exactly where things belong. No more guessing games. No more expired items hiding behind a label you can't read. Clarity creates calm, and labels create accountability. 12. Slim rolling storage carts. Most people don't realize the smallest, most useless-looking space in their kitchen can become one of the biggest storage wins in the whole house. That 15-centimeter gap between your fridge and the wall? Japanese small apartment keeps coming back to slim rolling carts because they're built exactly for spaces that narrow. They hold oils, canned food, detergent, cleaning supplies, and roll out easily the moment you need them. It's more storage without an expensive kitchen renovation. Every apartment has a gap like this. Every gap is an opportunity you've been walking past. Japanese homes prove something surprising. You don't need a bigger house to feel like you have more space. You need better systems. Pick just one idea from this list and try it this week. You might be amazed how much calmer, cleaner, and more functional your home feels with nothing more than a $5 fix.